If you're an ambitious professional, an entrepreneur, or a high net worth individual, you're constantly bombarded with market noise. Gurus, headlines, the latest hot stock. It's enough to make anyone feel overwhelmed. Gurus, headlines, the latest hot stock, it's enough to make anyone feel overwhelmed. But what if I told you there's a timeless blueprint, a foundational philosophy that cuts through all of it? A guide that offers not just clarity, but the iron discipline to build true, enduring wealth immune to fleeting trends? Today, we're unpacking that indispensable guide, The Intelligent Investor by Benjamin Graham. It's the cornerstone for anyone serious about mastering value investing, prioritizing a sound intellectual framework and emotional resilience over luck or speculation. Forget chasing headlines. Graham empowers you to think like an owner, to understand intrinsic value, and to rigorously employ a margin of safety. These are principles that have stood the test of time, decade after decade. First, and perhaps most famously, Graham introduces us to the legendary Mr. Market. Imagine the stock market as your eccentric, often manic-depressive business partner. The catch? His offers are wildly irrational, based purely on his current mood swings. One day euphoric, the next utterly despondent. The genius of the intelligent investor is in leveraging them. You sell when he's irrationally optimistic, and you buy when he's gripped by pessimism. This insight empowers you to detach emotion from your decision-making and transform market volatility into opportunity. Graham hammers home a fundamental truth often overlooked. A stock is not just a ticker symbol, it's ownership in a real business. Its intrinsic value should be assessed based on underlying fundamentals. This perspective shift forces you to think like a business analyst, not a gambler or a speculator. Understanding this distinction is the absolute bedrock of intelligent investing. And then there's Graham's most profound and frankly most protective concept, the margin of safety. It means buying assets at a significant discount to their calculated intrinsic value. This buffer provides an indispensable cushion against errors in judgment, unforeseen economic downturns, or even adverse market conditions. Consider it your ultimate insurance policy. Graham wisely distinguishes between two primary investor archetypes, the defensive investor and the enterprising investor. For most of us, the defensive approach is practical and highly effective. This strategy emphasizes diversification, asset allocation, and dollar cost averaging. Consistently investing a fixed amount regularly smooths out market fluctuations and avoids market timing. Focus only on large, financially robust companies that boast a long history of consistent earnings growth and dividend payments. And critically, never overpaying for your investments. Graham directly confronts the academic dogma that higher returns always necessitate higher risk. Instead, he demonstrates that higher potential returns can actually be achieved with lower risk. Finally, Graham insists on tailoring your investment strategy to your personal situation and issues a stern warning against familiarity or home bias. Over-familiarity can lead to dangerous complacency. True diversification extends beyond sectors. It means avoiding excessive concentration even in what you perceive as known quantities. This isn't about following a simple algorithm. While The Intelligent Investor is transformative, it's not a get-rich-quick manual. It requires careful thought, patience, and homework. It's about developing a profound mindset. So for you, these are actionable, battle-tested pillars upon which to build a formidable financial future. Embrace Mr. Market's irrationality and view stocks as true business ownership. The Intelligent Investor by Benjamin Graham is more than a book. It's an education, a foundational philosophy, and a definitive roadmap to building enduring wealth with foresight and discipline. Have you applied Graham's powerful principles in your own investing journey? Share your insights in the comments below. If you found this deep dive valuable, please hit that like button and subscribe. Building true wealth is an intelligent endeavor. Until next time, invest wisely.